everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into site and page settings in Bitrix24 websites. So, glad you see, hit that like button and let's get started. Site and page settings. We already created a website in previous video and customize it for your business using and site and page settings. All settings are conveniently granted into a single slider, allowing you to change the design, edit, block, and set up analytics in one page. To access the setting, click on the Site Features in the top right corner. Select the gear icon, setting gear icon. You will see a slider with the setting for different sections: site setting, site design, site page setting, page design. Site settings. Here you can customize the following parameters: site address, change the subdomain on here you can change as per your company name, like any of the thing. I'm just adding as test 2, 3, 4, 5 or connect your own domain. You can save this one like this. After that, website widget. Choose a widget to stay in touch with customers and get their feedback. Here we have some open chat type, live chat like that. We can add this in your account. Widget color. Select the widget color to match your website theme or keeps your original site. We have some options. Use website color, use widget color, or use custom color. Up and down button. Add this button to quickly return to the top of long pages. We have check it like this. Index page. Specify the main page if your website has multiple pages. When we click on More button, we have some advanced settings. Favicon. Add a small icon that appears in the web browser. Only in .png images can use it as a favicon icon. Here we can add like this. Ownership verification. Specify the necessary meta tags to confirm the rights to the site when connecting to Google Search Console. Analytics. Using your Google Analytics ID or Google Tag Manager ID to collect statistics and control the website's traffic. Tracking pixel. Measure ad efficiency by understanding the actions people take on your website. Map keys. Specify your Google Maps API key to be able to add an Google Maps block to your website. Layout type. Choose the type to customize padding on the web pages. Here we have some options: no padding, top, left, and right padding on all sides, mobile version, append to container. Like this, we can add anything. Now, site template. Select a template and customize the additional area. If you want to play or like this, we have some options here. Site template. Site language. Choose the language for the site element. Format for error. Add a custom 404 error page if needed. Robotic text preferences. Add a text file for indexing your website by search engine robots. Site boost. Optimize the use of CSS and JavaScript. That's one of the Google page speed insight requirement, helping to improve the page speed. Custom HTML. Add custom HTML to the head tag on all pages. Custom CSS. Add custom CSS code to all site pages. Use it to specify custom fonts or styles. Disable site temporarily. Select a page that will be shown when the website is disabled. Cookie processing. Enable a cookie constant banner, or we can create your own content. Powered by Bitrix24 text. To hide this at the bottom of the website, if you have any commercial plan subscription means you can remove this one. Next was page settings. Page addresses. Specify a custom address for the page. We already added this one. Rich fonting for social media. Configure how this page will be displayed when shared on social media. We can add here image, name, website name. When we click on more button, we have some additional settings. Page meta tag. Add page meta tags for better indexing by search engine. By default, they get formed automatically, but you can customize them. Layout type. Select a layout template and customize padding. Page template. Include additional areas on this page. Analytics. Use your Google Analytics idea or manage you to control the site traffics. Sitemap. Add the page to the sitemap for better indexing. Your sitemap is available here. Data on the sitemap presence is added automatically when you activate it in the site settings, and all users enter are added to the general robotic test without checking the uniqueness. Therefore, we recommend you to check the content of your robotic test file for duplicates. And now, page, site and page design. Customize the site design in the second tab and the page design in the last tab. The settings are the same. Same here. And here we have color theme. Change the color theme of buttons and some other site elements. Can add here custom colors also, or you can add hidden code value. Next, text. Specify the color, font, and size of the text and headings. You can also adjust the text weight and line space. Text color, font, text size, weight, line spacing, head color, font, weight, and background color. Change the background of the page. Here you can add image or color at the position. In position also we can set it. And this is about the Website and page settings. Customize your website in Bitrix24 using the site and page settings. Adjust site settings like the address, widgets, and analytics and configure individually page settings for meta tags and layout. Customize design elements such as color, text, background with page specific settings taking priority. This is about the website's site and page settings in Bitrix24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.